Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Xu. Let's look at the problem 55 in chapter 25. Chapter 25 is about electrical current and resistance. So there you can see we're talking about alternating current. Right, the devices is connected to the power. The voltage is the RMS voltage is 240 volts, and the resistance is 44 ohms. Ask you what is the average power used? You can see the given quantity is Vrms and the resistance. How can you get the average power? So this average power is Vrms squared divided by R. Very straightforward, right? And then you can input the given quantities, get answer there. The next one asks you the maximum and minimum values for the power. At this part we can see, as the alternating current, the voltage and the current moves as a sine wave, right? At some point, it has a peak. Some point, it is zero. Agree? So first one, we look at the maximum value for the power. That means this is the power at the peak. Agree? So the power at the peak is the maximum. So this is the voltage at the peak times the current at the peak, right? Yes. And the voltage at the peak equal to square 2 times the RMS V. And the current at the peak is square 2 times IRMS. Simplified, we get it look like this one, right? So we have the number, the constant 2 times Vrms times IRMS. These two terms will be replaced by the average power, P. Do you agree? P, a bar. And then input the given quantity. This one 1,300 volts, so it becomes 2,600 volts. The next one, what is the minimum value for the instantaneous power? That is 0, because at some point, at some time, the voltage will become 0, current becomes 0. Either situation is it will make the power become 0.